Hello, my name is Rosmayani and today I will tell you about homeostasis. In daily life, people carry out various of activities. These activities become a necessity and require the body to support these activities. Some activities carried by people such as work, study, play, sports, and other activities. Running is one of the activities we usually do. When people run, there is change in condition of our bodies, so that some our organs work to stabilize, so that there is no disturbance. To maintain the state of our bodies to remain normal or constant, the body carries out homeostasis process. Homeostasis is an automatic process and mechanism by which living things maintain a constant condition so that their bodies can function normally despite change in the environmental inside or outside in the body. This constant condition includes a variety of variables such as body's temperature and body's fluid balance, which are maintained within predetermined limits, or so-called homeostasis range. Examples of other variables are the pH of the extracellular fluid, the concentration of sodium, potassium, and calcium ions, and blood sugar level. Running is a form of muscle work, namely the presence of movement. When running will increase contraction and energy use, or ATP, which also increase, causing a decrease in glucose needed for energy. Running can increase the body's metabolic rate, which can increase metabolism of carbohydrate, foods, and protein. Running can also reduce the energy needed by the body so that thyroid hormones stimulate protein synthesis and increase glucose and fatty acid to produce energy or ATP. Hormones are organic compounds that produced by endocrine glands. Hormones function to regulate homeostasis, stimulate growth, reproduction, metabolism, and behavior. When there is a decrease in energy, hormone steroid enters the hypophyseal portal vein and flows into the interior pituitary, then stimulate the release of TSH, or thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone can increase the use of glucose and fatty acid to produce energy, or ATP. The body system is a place where the body's organs work together to achieve the same goal. Organ system that work when people run. That is skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system, endocrine system, excretory system, and reproductive system. When people run, there is an increase in the discharge of sweat, which causes an increase in osmotic in the blood, and then the osmoreceptor activate. The hypothalamus, which then stimulates posterior pituitary to release ADH. After that, ADH diffuses into the blood capillaries and blood capillaries, bringing ADH to the doryverus or sweat glands so as to reduce sweating, which reduces the excretion of fluids through perspiration from the skin. Balance conditions are maintained and regulated by many mechanisms. All mechanisms that control hemostasis have at least three interdependent components, namely the receptor, control center, and effector, which each has for each regulate variable. Receptors are sensing components that monitor and respond to environmental change, both external and internal. Receptors include temperature and mechanical receptors, control center, H respiratory center, and renin-angiotensin system. Effectors are targets that are acted upon so that changes are returned to their normal state. All the mechanisms that occur in the bodies aim to restore the body to its normal state.